I hope you are extremely well. So in the last video, we are going to we have discussed about that basic introduction about HTML and how to set a environment about in setting environmental for running the HTML code. So in this video, we are going to learn the HTML tags, attributes, okay, and many more. So what is the HTML attribute? Let's start. So basically, HTML attributes are the properties that define a tag. Suppose every tag having their properties. So if you want to set a property towards a tag, then you can use HTML attribute. Okay. So if you learn to know the HTML tags attributes, you can go and Google like Google search HTML attributes. Okay. HTML. Why is not- HTML attribute, you can search HTML attribute and it will be coming variety of web that go to this platform W3 school. This will be very explained each by step by step. HTML attribute having attribute provide the additional information about element and attributes like suppose a tag having attribute href where you can passes the link. We will discuss about this tag. Okay, this is very interesting one. And image tag also having attribute src and many more things. I will explain attributes about every tags having the attributes. I will explain step by step, so don't be worry, don't be hesitant. So in the next step, what is the heading tag? Heading tag is suppose I have a web page. I will discuss about as I discuss about. Suppose I have a web page. Okay, so this is my web page. So I need to pass some heading also. There will be some heading. So some there will be heading. There will be some content paragraph. There will be some another content present here. Okay. So this suppose I want to pass as a heading here. Okay, heading. So for here I want to pass paragraph. And here also I want to put paragraph. So heading for writing the heading, or suppose to display the heading or to represent the heading, I use the heading tag, that is h tag. The heading tag is classified into six type or uh, six type, that is h1, h2, h3, h4, and h5 and h6. So as you can say, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6 will present, but this is not visible to you. Okay, so most the I will so the example that showing the example. So as I have the previous time I have see the it's welcome to my portfolio. This is my output. Okay, as this is my output. Okay, so I make it comment out and I make it activated this heading tag. Okay, you'll be getting shocked that both heading h1 and h2 these are going under heading, but they perform a variety because they perform differ. Means heading you no, no I will not explain, you will see this is very interesting. Whenever I write h1, inside the h1 I have write welcome to my portfolio, that will be display with a more font size. And whenever I pay whenever I write into the uh, so heading tag h2 tag, that will be display with a smaller one. Okay, whenever I did h3, that will be smaller as compared to h3. So whenever the number will be increased, the font size will be decreased rapidly. Okay, so whenever the number will be increased, the font size will be decreased. You will be see, you will be getting see whenever h1 tag having more font size, h2 having small as compared to h2. Basically this will be going under rapidly. This is inversely proportional. Okay, inversely proportional to the size. This number is inversely proportional to the size. Okay, I have completed heading tag. You will be, I hope it will be understanding too. So paragraph tag, suppose I want to write any paragraph, suppose I want to write any message to message, or I want to write some, I want to display some message in my website. So so for that I want to use the paragraph tag. So inside this paragraph tag I want to place the content that that content that will be displayed in our web page. So for the paragraph tab you can use p tag. Okay, so let me try. So I will making sure that, so see this p tag whenever I'm making save and whenever I write, see this p tag, whatever the content I want pass, this will come with a paragraph manner. Suppose I want to write it a more, suppose I need a more content. Okay. So inside I can lower m, and again I can lower m. Lower m means some random text will be come. Okay. So don't be see this will be come with a paragraph manner. Okay. This is come with a paragraph manner. Okay. So my next step will be anchor tag. Anchor tag means suppose I want to suppose you might see that whenever you will visit some website. Okay. Suppose downloading movie or whatever you can say, or going, suppose you have okay some downloading movie. So whenever you click is some button, that will be taking out another web page or another website. You might think that how it work. So this work by the use of anchor tag. What the anchor tag? This is very important one. Okay, anchor tag is used to add a link to your pages. Suppose I want to. This is my web page. This is my website. Okay, so there will be some button. Okay, so there will be some button. So whenever I click here. That makes you another web page. That makes you another page. Okay, so how it work? Inside the tag, I will passes the link with href attribute and a tag anchor tag. Use the tag anchor and attribute href. So so let me try an example. I make it cut out. Okay, so anchor tag inside anchor tag I will write href. So I need which one? Okay, so suppose I want to write Google link. Okay, Google. Suppose I want to pass a Google link. Whenever I click at anywhere, I go to the Google. I make it copy. You will be trying. Whenever I teach, you will be trying at your own. Okay. So I want to click here, go to Google. So whenever I make it running, whenever I make it run, so there will be a text come with Google. Go to Google. So whenever I click it, it make another page. It may take another page whenever to the Google page. Okay, so this is very interesting. Whenever I go to Google, that may take you another web page name as a Google. Okay, so this is very important. Don't be heritage, don't be hurry about. So during I teach time, pause the video, watch it properly. Otherwise it is very difficult to practice at a time. So practice every time. Whenever I teach every concept, stop it and practice, because that practice make a man perfect, or practice make improve your accuracy. Okay, so where you stop the anchor tag. Okay, the anchor tag. So as I have completed anchor tag, in the next tab will be image tag. I hope image tag. Suppose this is my web page and I want to paste, I want to display a image of my profile or image of anything display to in my profile. I can so for that purpose I use image tag. So inside image tag, this is my attribute. That attribute name is a src. So inside src you can passes your image link or image path. As the image will be downloaded to your system, you can use image path, or for the online system you can use go image link. Okay, so this is a alt random image. Alt means this is another property or another attribute that tells that it is a random image, that is nothing. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, suppose I want to display a web page. Suppose I want to display image. Inside the image, suppose I want to go to Google, search flower image. So flower, no, flower will be is very prettier. Okay, suppose I want to Virat image. Suppose I want to display this one. Okay, so I make it copy. So here copy image address, make it copy out and go to your ID, right? href. Sorry, href, not href. Remember, I was wrong. You have to pass the attribute src. So src. Inside src, you have to pass the link of the image and make it boxes. So you will be getting shock that, so sorry, whenever I make it open with live server, so this virat image will come. Okay, I have successfully passed the image in our website. This is very interesting one. Okay, don't be worry. So this go to Google option also be working. Okay, don't be. So image also, image tag as I have completed. So be a tag. Suppose I will continuously write something, continuously write something. I want to break somewhere, break something. I want to break at a point and starting with a new line. For that purpose, I use prefer to be a tag. This be a tag is what I say. This is on pair tag. On pair tag. Be a tag is on pair tag, which is used to break a line and started with a new line. Okay. Be a tag and bold, italic, and underline. These are the very uh, three tags which are used to design a font size. Suppose this B tag is used for bold of a font, or italic making the tag making the content in a italic style, or underline making is underline. Okay, these are the three tags. So big tag means that will be displayed with a big letter. A small tag means that will be displayed with a small one. Okay. So HR tag. Suppose this is my content, this is my web page, and I want to making separate. So here I will write something, here I will write something, for this making separation, I used to prefer HR tag, because this HR tag is used to separate the content between the content of a website. Okay, I will showing this one also. You will write whatever the content, whatever the notes I have written here, you will make it note down. Okay, no worry. Superscript and subscript, you have already know about this subscript and superscript, because this will be uh, sub means lowing, and super means this will be upper. Okay, see, whenever I want to write subscript means h subscript to O, means after that time this output will come. Super means A, super N, B, means that will be come with output A to the power N plus B. Okay, so pre-tag, this is not necessary. Okay, skip on. Okay, so let's up to this we will try an example. Okay, I'm making out this one. So I have, first of all we will discuss about the B attack. Okay, B attack. Suppose I want to write lorem. Lorem means some random concept. फिर after also I want to write lorem. 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 Why I write lorem? Because I need some unnecessary things. Okay, unnecessary text to display. Okay, I think this much is this much is necessary. So see, suppose I want to write up to this. Okay, I want to write up to this, and after that I want to make it separated with a new line. So I prefer to be a tag. See, open with live server. See, up to this my tag my text will become, and after that stage whenever after that stage where I place the beer tag, after that place that my new line will be started. Suppose this facilities. Suppose from this I want to, okay, from this also I want to use beer tag, and you might see this. See, from this one also my new line will be started. Okay, this is very interesting one. Okay, don't be don't be confused. Okay, so let's study about the B tag, U tag, and I tag. B tag means bold tag, bold. Suppose I want to display it in bold letter, means welcome to my portfolio. Not bold tag, I prefer to use in a paragraph tag. Suppose H1 P tag. Inside P tag, I want to write welcome to my portfolio website. So this portfolio, I want to this making this portfolio into C. This come with how? This come with a simple one, okay? So whenever I'm making this I place this portfolio with B letter, B tag. You might see this is very interesting. This portfolio getting bolted. This means this portfolio with this portfolio. What I could say, font weight will be increased. Okay, this portfolio will be getting marked. Okay. Similarly, uh, I want to use another, and I make it happen that I want to make it italic. So, but I want to make italic that portfolio. You can possible, or I can make it make it underline. Okay, U tag. Whenever I save it out, you will see this three. This is a bold. This one is italic and this one is underline. Until which tag I want make it, I place the U, that will be going under my U tag. Okay. So thank you. I have completed the tags of my HTML. In the next video, we will going to see what are the page layout techniques. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Do like, share, and subscribe. I hope you will feel good after watching this video.